Hello and welcome to this new video. This video is about my project Creature Simulator, and Creature Simulator is a project I make for school. The idea of the Creature Simulator is that different eyes try to survive in a random generated world, and they try to make a civilization and try to gather some resources, make a steady population, and all sorts of stuff. So, as you see, this is the beautiful looking um, start screen. Yes, it's very aesthetic, to say so. And yes, and you have two different options. One is generate random world, and the other generate with ID. So, at the moment, you only can generate a random world. Uh, I will add the ID later. So, I already made a video about this and I called it Neum or something like that. And I showed some trees generating, and, and now you can actually generate a world with your input, so you can enter your width, height, the number of trees you want, and the number of lakes. So as an example, yeah, so 6,000 trees, and I don't know, 10 lakes. So, and now generate. Yes, now we generated a little world. So, as you see, there are at the moment only lakes and trees, but my random generator is pretty good at this point. So, adding more structures and stuff like that shouldn't be that hard anymore. And yes, as you see, there are some forests. Trees are always grouped in forest. I mean, okay, what is a forest? Yeah, but they at least have to be more than three, I think. Yes, at least, yeah. And as you see, there are lakes, and there are actual fish in these lakes. And because of the zooming, we don't see it that good. But yes, all of these fish have a random eye, so they just go around the sea, around the lake, as they have fun. Yeah. And the fish are actually representing the state of this lake. So when there are not that many, when there are not that many fish in it, then the lake doesn't have many fish in it. So the eyes shouldn't be fishing in that lake, probably. And yes, and this is everything I oh, this is at the moment everything I made. And yes, this is the progress. And yes, so my next plan is to implementing stone to the random generator, and then moving forward to actually implementing some, I don't know, gameplay at least, and making the forest, the lakes, and everything interactable with the AI, and then making an AI. So yeah, this will be my next step, and probably making a mini map or something like that, because that would be nice. And uh, that's everything I have at the moment. So yeah, cool. Uh, we could try to generate a very big world with many trees. Like I don't know. I hope that it won't crash. Please. Okay. Yeah. It. I think it crashed. No. It. Yeah. I mean, it's pretty laggy, but it doesn't crash. So bam. Yeah. Nice. Cool, cool, cool. So yes, you can actually generate a huge world. So isn't that nice? Yeah, with lakes in it and fish. Yeah, cool. So and yes, um, that was everything I wanna. That was everything I had. So goodbye, my friends. And if you if you want to follow this project further, then you can follow it if you want. So press the subscribe button. Yes or no. It's your decision. Goodbye and have fun. I'm Sasha, and you're not.